Our examples 3 are the continuation of our topic of states of matter. The facilitator of this session, I am Dr. Mlelwa, and we are continuing with our discussion. Now in this example, we are given 10 grams of common salt were added in 100 grams of water. Then calculate molarity and then mass percentage. So I hope because this question it's very easy, so I hope even if when you will go fast, you will understand it. Now we are saying in this example 3, data given, we are given mass of solute, that is sodium chloride, because tushasema common salt is sodium chloride. Tulisema concentration za kule nyuma ni 10 grams, lakini pia mass of solvent, thus water, is equal to 100 grams. So from there, it's required to calculate, first is molarity, and the second is mass percentage. Now what we are saying ni kwamba in order to calculate molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilograms. So number of moles of solute will be equal to, hapo utapata ni 10 grams divided by molar of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride ambayo ni common salt itakuwa sawa na ngapi? 23 plus 35.5. That will be equal to 58.5 gram per mole. So 58.5 gram per mole. Tutakuja kupata number of moles of sodium chloride will be equal to 10 ganya kwa 58.5. So itakuwa ni 0.1709 moles. Alafu tukapo tutasema mass of water in kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 100 gram is equal to x. X will be equal to 100 gram. Kilogram divided by 1000 grams. Grams and grams will over, should be equal to 0.1 kilogram. So mass of solvent is equal to 0.1 kilogram. Molarity of sodium chloride in solution is equal to, so tapata ni 0.1709 mole divided by 0.1 kilogram. Kota kuja kupata ni 1.709 mole kilogram. Hiyo ni molarity. So therefore molarity of sodium chloride in the solution is 1.709 mole per kilogram. Then our second question is to calculate mass percentage. So mass percentage hapo ni very easy. Mass percentage ni very easy. Mass percentage ni sawa na mass sodium chloride divided by total mass times 100. That is equal to 10 divided by 110 mara 100. So it is 10 100. So mass percentage of sodium, it is 9.00090 percentage. No, this is not yeah, it's already multiplied, so it is 9.09091 percentage. This is the mass percentage of. Kwa tukiangalia jinsi ambavyo walifanya hiyo hapo mpata ile ile 1.71 mole. Nikwambia kule mwanzoni na nishaeleza kwenye sessions zilizopita kuhusu calculation zilizojibu na uandike kwenye how many percent. Also kwenye mass percentage mpata ni 9.09. So this marks the end of this session. Stay with me. I will calculate the second example and other next examples, and we'll move to the next part of states of matter. So thank you everybody. Subscribe to the channel, share the video to your fellow students, and don't forget to comment anything, ask any question, and visit my Telegram group for more discussions with me and with my students. Thank you. Let me wish you nice studies.